Yeah, I have that morning fix. Howdy do there, welcome back. My lips so red. It's because of camera. I don't care. So it's Saturday, September 9, and I'm like a minute away. For 6. No, okay. Now it's 6 a.m. Now 6 a.m. Saturday, NSTP. CWTF community service work, and I woke up at around 5. I never usually get up at 5:30 or so. I'm just messing around here with my feed. We have Twitter and Twitch. And this is just something I saw last night before. My throat's a bit edgy. Today I still feel tired. I mean, I could tell by the eyes. You can tell by the eyes I'm so sleepy. So I uploaded my first video on YouTube. Yeah, just go to my channel. You'll see it. But anyway. Anyways.
He needs some milk!
So today, what are we gonna do today? Holy crap, I'm really tired. As you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but that's a TV. This is a small monitor, but yeah, no one cares. But anyway, today we'll be cleaning. After that, we will be doing some games. I guess that's our team building. I don't know. And then after that, we're going to the beach with a couple of my friends. I'm not sure if I'm going, but I don't know. We'll see. So daily routine, workout. I gotta work out. I gotta get buff. I can't film it. It's dark. I'm using my screen right now. It's for lighting, and yeah, you can really tell that I'm really tired. So, and I have a pimple. That's freaking annoying. Alright, so workout's done. I'm gonna take a bath. I'm heading to school now. So I'm going home now. And CWTS is done. And I'm home. Easy as that. It's not really that easy. I mean, yeah. So I'll be heading to the beach today.
A few moments later.
So I'm ready. I was actually waiting for like 2 hours for my friends, and then they're ready. So I'm ready 3 hours ago. But anyway, I'm going. The craziest thing happened to me. I bought the wrong bag. It was supposed to be the green bag, but it's the wrong bag. Finally got my bag.
Eventually.
Yay, I'm here. 7-Eleven. We have Limark. Ano ba yun? Wala pa kayo ko kay balon sa kamutan pa gani. Kani oh. So pedicab. Katuyok may pedicab bay. Gikag pulang tubig. Gikag pulang tubig. Piapi, tuyok sa Siliman, sa kuan SUMC, Medical Center. Sunod ana kay kuan.
Saan yung cellphone ba?
P30 Lite. Selfie stick.
Hindi ba? Kanay mas cellphone? Saan yung
P30 Lite.
Samsung?
Huawei. Then sunod ana kay mas gusto ang P-series. Pagkuman ana agi may highway. Then sunod ana agi may diris Kuan. Saan sa dalan ganin sa kuan? Siya. Cervantes, pulis. Misunod na niliko may diris kuan sa tawag ani. Sa kulon. Oh, dili pengog aksat. Sige na isa ka estudyante pengog aksat. Sunod na niliko pa me katong pengog kuan katong lupit sa 7-Eleven. Diniadtog kuan sa tawag ani. Misyano na, then straight na, Changi. Yo, joyride kay bay.
Alis lang muna pag
So, near to our destination, which is Dawin Sanctuary. So, we're almost here. Charang! We're almost there. Okay. Yeah! Charang! Wala ka naligo. Wow, the beach. We're at the beach, yeah. Okay. Hey, we're at the beach. Yay! Beach! We're at the beach. What's up? Skirt. So, look at the scene. Looks good. High dive. Klaro kayo ang phone.
Ay!
Karon pa niabot ning mga duha. Sus ko ginoo ko. Nako. Mark! Salod na tala? Ha?
So hi guys, welcome to our vlog. So guys, gasugba na may dito.
Para gasugba na may natin mga
Yes. Wala ni kaon pero ginamit ko ang software. Di mo mami no? May gumasteran.
Isend din yung GC ang may gamit.
Oh my god, mami ga-vlog ko diri.
Ipulingan ako ni Ma.
So guys, madalas dagat. So we are here in
Unsa na Mark?
so
Hello, good morning.
Ano pa ko?
We will go there. So
Yes, so
come on. Let's
party.
amaze it.
So guys, gutom na kayo. Ako dyan po ka.Aniwad ko. We're trying to, ala, bet kaya like. Napura. Oh, picture sa tahabay guys.
Rosewell here, John Palomar, we have Meryl, we have Limark. We have Geraldine there, Honey, Angel, and here's Ate. Skirt.
Basa kay ang panhot.
Hindi na mo kung ano gawa.
Ano kay passport? Apadat ang
Kung hot case Geraldine din ang adlaw sin. Hot case siya dyan.
Baka YouTube ka pa, no?
Oh, shit.
Sa mo channel. Basa ka na.
My God.
Basta ko.
Uy, shots na ba? Dapat ko ito.
Asan sila,
Oh
Kuan?
my God. This is so...
Anong naamot dito?
Donnie, others kay mo.
Sure kung di ka na magbubo. Ako na, pilang video ha?
Oh my God.
Liman, buwa ko MD.
Oy, wala ko kabalo ka nanis bang akong phone.
Diba, kay...
Kaliling.
At least related ra po siya sa ako ang kuan. Luto-luto.
Bitaw. Pwede ra.
Wala ka kanitlat ganit. Ako na lang. Isa man. Wala ko lang.
Ito lang dagya king anak ko.
Allergic ka. Wow, kinsa ngalan?
Uy!
Yo, we found this dog. Yo, golden retriever. Char. What's up, doggy?
Ako cellphone.
What's up, doggy? Yo, what's up?
Carlos, akong cellphone Carlos.
Going home now.
Yo!
Kita. It's okay. We're going
Lahat ng
home.
viewers dyan, paki-subscribe. Putang ina.
Wala, guys.
We wanna have fun. Girls, we want.
No, the waiting game begins. Can't see it start already. It's around 6. I don't know.
You.
Yeah, po din na maiko. Yeah. Ah, wala sa likod ta. So freaking tired. It's a long day. But I'll tell you when I get home. Okay? Okay, ayagan ko. Okay. Okay lang nga. And I'm home. And I'm back at my place in one piece. So yeah, it wasn't really that tiring. I mean, it's tiring, but at the same time, it's fun. Like, at least it was worth it. It's tiring. But yeah, the tiring is really worth it. I mean, yeah, it's all good. So yeah. So actually, what happened earlier, before we met with my friends, I left my bag. It was the wrong bag. I got the wrong bag. My mom had to pick me up, and then after that, I rode a tricycle. But the tricycle, though, we went from Piapi, then we went to a hospital, medical center, then we went to the highway, and then we rode down to Cervantes Street. And then after that, he made a right turn on the police station going to Asian College. And then after that, he made another turn over at the Y intersection between Locsin and Nishan. And then after that, we went to the market. And then after that, we met at 7-Eleven near the church. But hey, it was all worth it. I mean, yeah. Most of us, we went, but some didn't make it. So if you guys aren't in the video, it's not my fault that you're not in the vlog. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever, do whatever you want. I don't care. And yeah, peace.